welcome back to Going Off Grid My Way. As I'm sure you know, most of the country is getting dumped on with snow. It's been snowing since about 3:30, 4 o'clock in the morning. I would say there's probably 3 inches on the ground, maybe 4. I've been driving in it since it started, and it's just getting worse. The road crews are having trouble catching up. They're just now starting to catch up. They didn't even start on the roads until after 6:30. As you can see, they're trying to plow these parking lots to keep them accessible. But yeah, it's going to be a fun day. I have to run over to my storage unit and drop off a bunch of boxes and stuff that I had in my apartment. Trying to get that down to the bare minimum over there so that when I do leave, I don't have to pack as much. Trying to get myself down to the least amount of things that I need so that I know what to put into the small place that I'm going to build this spring. You know, it's just it's coming down pretty good. So I don't know if everybody in the country who watches this is gonna have snow, but if you don't, here you go, enjoy it. I am. I've been doing donuts in the parking lots and drifting corners, having a little bit of fun with it. I got a couple videos I have to upload still. I just haven't had time. A lot of stuff going on. Daughter came in from out of town last night for the night, and we did Christmas early with her, and my sister came in from out of town and did Christmas with the other kids and my daughter. So and we did a birthday party all at the same time. So I'll have a video of that coming up pretty soon. But yeah, I'm just working, dealing with all the snow. Like I said, it's been snowing since about 3:30, 4 o'clock it started. This morning it's 10 to 11 right now. I probably won't have this up till later this afternoon, but here it is. Hope you enjoy it. Subscribe, comment, and like the videos. Thanks.